Hi everyone. This is going to be an update for our 6th grade health class for the week of May 11th through May 15th. So you have all week to get this work finished. And first of all, I want to thank all of you. It looks like every single person is caught up in the class. I think we might be missing a few assignments here or there, but for the most part, everybody's caught up and you're doing the work like you're supposed to. So nice job with that. Last week, we watched that video and we talked about like the 7 different ways that tobacco can be harmful to you and why you should avoid tobacco, and that's extremely important. And I think everyone, just by looking at your responses to that and even how you reacted to that, gross video that showed how much tar goes in your lungs, I think you really understood how bad tobacco is for you. What I'd like to focus on this week is electronic cigarettes, vape pens, and Juuls. Okay, and that's like the electronic cigarettes that when the creators made those, there were false claims saying that they're a healthy alternative to smoking tobacco, which that is not true, 100% not true. And that is a big common misconception. So this week I want to focus on that. So what I'd like you to do is, you're going to be watching this video in the Updates tab. Click on the Materials tab, go to this week's folder, and you're going to find 3 items. This first is a link to a short video on YouTube. I want you to watch that video, try to gather that information and try to listen to it, because they do a very good job of explaining why, electronic cigarettes are very, very, very bad for you. After you're done watching that video, I'd like you to come and answer the 5 questions. This is a graded assignment. Now, just like before, these questions, there's 5 of them. You're going to have up to 3 attempts to take this. So if you take, the 5 questions and you do not get them all correct, go back and start another attempt. You're going to have a chance to do this 3 times. And if you do, it's always going to keep your best score. So if you get a 4 out of those couple attempts, that'll be your best score. If you get all 5, it'll keep the 5. So make sure you try that a couple of times. All right. Now, after you're done answering those questions, sometime later in the week or, whenever you're going through this, I'd like you to go into our class discussion, which is the e-cigarette discussion for this week. And what I would like you to answer here is, in this day and age, do you think that e-cigarettes, vape pens, and Juuls are as big as a problem as traditional cigarettes? So do you think that vapes and Juuls are as big a problem as cigarettes, cigars, pipes that actually use regular tobacco? And then, in your comment, I want you to answer that question. And I want you to explain that to me, why you feel that way, or whatever your answer is, just explain it. There's really no right or wrong answer. It's just I'd like you to explain yourself in there. Feel free to go back, throughout the week and read other people's responses and give them a thumbs up if you like what they had to say, or you could even comment or ask questions to other people in the class. But that'll be our class discussion. Okay, so that's going to be everything that we're going to be doing this week in our folder. I hope all of you have a great week. And remember, keep in touch. If you have any questions, you can message me up here. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And other than that, I hope all of you have a great week. All right, we'll see you. Take care.